Hi everyone, Mademoiselle Asphodel Carol here. I got some happy mail. When I first saw the box was from Rosella, I thought she had maybe sent me another design team package, some beautiful laces to work with. But then I opened this beautiful card and saw that it wasn't. It's a rack from Rosella. I love the card. It says, "It's not what you look at that matters, it's what you see," by Henry David Thoreau. He's actually, a lot of my favorite quotes are from him. And the photo was actually taken by Rosella's sister. That is absolutely wonderful. I love that. I'll keep this for a while. I did read the card, and yes, it is a surprise, Rosella. I don't know what to say. She sent me some of her beautiful hand-dyed flowers. I love them. These are great flowers to go with the popular paper collections. Thank you so much for that. And it says, "Merci." Merci, mon ami. Okay. Rosella always packages everything so beautifully. Look at this beautiful ribbon. Always. I mean, I purchased quite a few kits from her in the past, even when she sends laces for me to work with. Her packages are always so beautiful. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Thank you, Rosella. I do apologize if I sound a little bit tired. I just had my granddaughter for the day. A 2-year-old can do that too. Let me just move this box in. Oh my gosh. These are beautiful. Oh my god. Oh. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, look at this. It's about 20 inches long, I kid you not. It's beautiful. Oh my god. I'm working on a wedding album for my son who got married in June. And oh wow. Oh my god, that's beautiful. This must have been a sleeve. Looks like, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, the buttons. I could use those too. Thank you so much, Rosella. Look at that. It's got beautiful sequins. And look at the beadwork. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So much work taking these dresses apart, Rosella. I really don't know how you have the patience for it. I have my own hanging in the closet, and I wanted to take it apart, but I still, you know, it's just one of those projects that are hanging in the closet. This is gorgeous. Thank you so much. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. Like, every time I look at it, it just catches the light. And look how sparkly that is. Wow. I'll leave it like this because it's just, oh my god, it's the most beautiful piece I've seen. No way. Rosella! Oh my god! It's the lace book. It's my first lace book. Yay! Oh my gosh, I never would have guessed you were making this for me. Guys, it's beautiful. It's got these beautiful wooden tiles. I don't know if they're Prima tiles or I'm not sure if Recollection makes them. And beautiful. Oh, look at this beautiful box trim here. Beads. And pearl sprays here. Guys, look at this cameo. I've never seen that before. I don't know if this is an antique one or not, but it is gorgeous. Sorry about the noise, you guys. My son is doing the dishes. This is, oh, wow. This is so beautiful. Look at this paper. This is a, looks like it's a bridal applique that she dyed with some sprays, perhaps. Wow. Pretty rosette flower. A rosebud there. Oh, this charm. Look at this charm. It is huge. It's got a pair of scissors and look at this beautiful tangle. And this is an old earring, I believe. She added some pearls. Oh, look at those beautiful colors. Love that. And oh, that is cute. Bird cage with a little key. Oh, wait a second. There's another tiny one here on that. And it says, with love. Aww. Look at this huge what do you call it? You know, like a chandelier type bubble. I love the color. Oh. I still can't get over this cameo, how beautiful it is. So pretty. Oh, I love the color of this seam binding. Rosella, you did such an awesome job with this. Oh, wow. Oops. Oh, and postcard that she wouldn't show the address. Huh. And she wrote this in gold ink, and it just makes it look more, I don't know, vintage. And oh, look at this beautiful image. Aww, that is so cute. A pretty little doily here, and a chipboard piece, lace. Oh. Some ribbon rosettes and some yummy trims and laces. Oh, I love this seafoam green one. I don't have very many this color. Blue and this gathered white one is really pretty as well. Oh, thank you so much, honey. Oh, and look at this paper. I think she said in her, oh, she's got some bead bling here, and a pretty butterfly. Oh, Rosella, this means so much to me, honey. Thank you. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I think the paper she said was from that DCWV stack that I want so badly, the Primrose. Oh, yeah. I think she said she had done, sorry, my dog is breaking into my craft room here. She did some liquid pearl on the flowers and some stickles here. That is, oh my gosh, look at this paper. Oh, wow. Look at these laces. Oh, this one is gorgeous. This is a pretty color of pink. There are now 2 dogs in the room. Oh, Rosella, thank you so much. Oh, look at that, it's so pretty. And she's got some. I'm gonna have to take all the lace off just to look at the pages. But I will put them back. Oh, this is pretty. That is so cute. Look at that. And another green color. Oh, look at this. This is different. Oh, I like that. And pretty little daisies. I love using these to layer in centers of other flowers, and oh my god, look at this paper. Seriously, I have to take all the lace off just to look at the pages because they look absolutely gorgeous. You did an amazing job, Rosella. I think it's great to use these lace spools. Wow. This is a little eyelet one. Oh, so pretty. Little roses, millions here. I don't know if I've been in frame at all. This is just so, oh yeah, I remember. She put a chipboard piece with another little charm. Ooh, I love the color of that bead. Isn't that gorgeous? It's like this smoky rose. And oops, looks like it just came loose. Now I will have to take the laces off for sure. Isn't that cute? I love the copper bead cap that you have on this. It's up down there. Let's just bring it up closer to the camera. See that? That is so pretty. Oh. Oh, really, Rosella, you have no idea how much this must mean to me. Wow.